Hello guys, good morning. Kauwi ko lang galing church. Ayan, nagdala ako ng may nadaan akong puto at saka barbecue. Sarap-sarap. Kain tayo guys. Ayan siya guys, kain tayo. Pork barbecue. Tapos may suka. Almusal pa lang to guys. Ayan po to. Kain tayo. Thank you for watching.